Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to remove access denied websites in your browser on any iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to remove access denied on websites, so let's see how can you do that. If you're using any website and your website is not loading, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. You must have to open up your settings. In settings, simply scroll down and look for this screen time option. Simply tap on it, and from here you have to look for the content and privacy restrictions. You must have to select that option, and here you have to select this app store media and web games option, and here you will get the web content. Simply tap on it, and from here you can easily restrict any website or you can easily unrestrict any website. So let's see how can you do that issue. First of all, here you can see there we have three options. The third we have to explain the first and the third one. The third is only approved website. If you have selected the third option, so you will only get the websites. Those are here's. Here's are the website you can only approve or you can only reach or browse on your browsers. If you want to add more website, you can easily add websites here. Or if you want to only limit your adult website, you must have to select the second option. Once you have selected, your all adult websites will be limited, or if you want to allow any adult website, you can easily add it here. Or if you want to block any adult website, so you can easily add it here in never allow. Or if you want to completely unrestrict your browsing, so you must have to select the first option, which is unrestricted. Once you have selected the first option, you can easily and freely browse anything on your browser. So in this way, you can easily remove the denied access on your websites. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.